Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm having a video all about Claudia Schiffer makeup line. She's a supermodel of the 90s, which I always admired and I always looked up to, and she kind of like reminds me of like a Brigitte Bardot version. And if you don't know who she is, she's that beautiful lady here, which I've tried to recreate this look today. Claudia collaborated with Art Deco Cosmetics and she created her own makeup line. So if you like to see how I created this look and a review at the end, keep on watching. Let's start with the BB primer that looks like that. And I'm gonna take that much. On my face, and immediately I do look better. Now let's go with the foundation, and the tube looks like that, and I'm the shade Cotton. You need to shake that well, and I'm gonna grab that much. And this is the coverage. Now let's go with the blush, and that color is Hot Sand, and I'm getting one of her brushes and I'm tapping just a little bit because that is super pigmented. As you see, they're not joking on pigmentation. Let's start with the eyeshadow palette, and I'm starting with this shade here. The shades, they don't have names, and I'm taking hairbrush. Look at the pigmentation, guys, seriously. Then I'm taking a fluffier brush and this color over here, just on the top. Then I'm taking the blush and a bigger fluffy brush again, just a little bit as well. For my lower lash, I'm taking this shade over here. And I'm taking that shade over here, I'm just stamp it in the middle. It looks like that, just a little bit. That's it. I'm gonna use the eyeliner in True Black. And now the mascara. Look at this mascara, guys, the difference. And this is the lipstick in Peach Club. Claudia is from Germany, and as I said, she's been a supermodel for, I don't know, like 30 years. And she said that in her life, she sat on the makeup chair more hours than she sat on her car, which is amazing. So she knows her stuff. Now, as I said, she's from Germany, and her nickname used to be Claudi, from Claudia name. So in all of her products, she just put like a little cloud here, which is, you know, it's really cute. That makeup line has a lot of attention and detail. I will let you know the prices in euros because her makeup site, obviously she's from Germany, they are in euros, but she does an international shipping in the most of the European countries. Now, where you can find them here in Australia, I got them from TVSN, the TV shopping network, and beautiful packs, and they have a lot of makeup products, and yeah, I really love shopping there. Now let's start with the primer. The outside packaging looks like that. I mean, like the attention to detail is beautiful and retails for 24 euros and 95 cents. And all the products are made in Germany and they're all cruelty free. You get 25 ml, 0.84 fluid ounces, and the packaging looks like that. It's in a tube, and you open it and you squeeze a little bit here, and it has like some sort of like blurring properties, color correcting. It's really beautiful, and as you saw from the demo, it blurred my skin, and like it has like very thin consistency, kind of like a lotion. I mean, look at that, the difference. That looks a little bit more even I would say it has slightly a little bit of a tint, not exactly tint, but more like color correcting and blurring properties. As for the primer, I would say definitely highly recommend that. It's beautiful. Now next product is the foundation, and the outside pack looks like that. And look at this. I mean, the foundation, look at the small of the bottle, right? You get 30 ml, it's 1 fluid ounce like the normal, foundation. But how great for traveling that is. The foundation retails for 29 euro and 50 cents. As I said, they're all made in Germany. I have the shade Cotton and it comes in 6 shades. I know that's a little bit of a drawback, but I'm sure as her line expands, she will include more shades. And the attention to detail here, that little cloud, I mean, I really love that. This foundation, this bottle first, this tube, I really love it for traveling. It reminds me a bit of the Chanel Vita Lumiere Aqua. So you need to shake that well. It's very liquidy. And I will squeeze just a little, and very runny, as you see here. You see? And let's just blend that. And look at the coverage. The coverage is light and it can build up to medium, but it's very sheer, and it's kind of like sheer and glowy. It doesn't accentuate fine lines, pores and all that stuff. It does last a long time, but I would say you do need to powder. Today I used the My La Mer, the powder, for this foundation, and I'm not quite sure how that will perform for, for oily skin types. I have dry skin. I would definitely wear this foundation like every day, but I will wear it at, at the evenings too. It's not gonna give you that full coverage like the Estee Lauder Double Wear or the new Fenty Pro Filter foundation, but it's beautiful. The attention to the detail that brand has, it's amazing. I mean, when I've ordered the products, not only that they came in beautiful packaging, but they came all in a bag like that. I mean, how handy that is. It's beautiful, right? So I really like that. As I said before, I do really like attention to detail, as you all know. For the foundation, it contains vitamin B. It's fragrance free and it's paraben free. Let's go to the blush. Now the outside packaging looks like that, and you get 7 grams, 0.24 ounces, and it retails for 29 euros and 50 cents, and it comes in 6 shades. Now look, I mean, the outside packaging, isn't that beautiful? And all like the powders, the blush, the eyeshadows and hair powders, the contours, she has contours powders too, they come in this packaging. I mean, how beautiful is this? And it has like a magnetic closure. And Claudia shared that she was inspired by vintage Vespa for this packaging, which is great, right? Now it opens like that. It has a big mirror here, and I have the color Hot Sand. It's the color, of course, I'm wearing today, and it's like just that, browny, bronzy, kind of like full of life color, which I'm gonna swatch it here for you. It's beautiful, very pigmented. Guys, you only need a tiny bit because otherwise you're gonna look like a clown. Seriously, beautiful color. I mean, I don't know what to say about the blush. It's really beautiful, very pigmented, and this color in Hot Sand, I really like it. And I use this blush with the contour and blusher brush. It retails for 24 euros and 95 cents, and it's angled like that. It's beautiful, it's so soft. I mean, it applies blush really well. Oh, the brushes are very, very good quality as well. It came as a pack, blush with a brush from TVSN, which I thought it was like great. It was like a steal, so it was really, really beautiful. So this combo, boom. Let's go to the eyeshadow, which is very, very exciting. The outside packet looks like that. And you get 4.5 grams, 0.15 ounces. The packaging is so beautiful. It's the same with the blush. And I mean, the closure, seriously, the magnetic closure. I'm all about the magnetic closures, guys. Like, oh, I don't know. There's something about it, right? Again, big mirror, 4 shades, obviously it's a quad. And that is in Denim. I love that she didn't include those annoying little brushes there. I mean, I don't like when companies do that. We're not in the 80s anymore, you know? So this is in Denim Blue, and it includes 2 matte shades and 2 like more shimmery satiny shades, as you saw. I always wanted a blue quad and I couldn't find, and it comes in 4 different quads. This is the Beachy quad. That looks pretty good too. This is the Pretzel quad. I want to get that next. Seriously, that is like my everyday kind of like color. Then the Denim and Retro, which is kind of like the pastel colors. Isn't that fun? Fun and beautiful. Now, of course, I'm going to do some swatches for you. The only thing, my only critique, right? They don't have names. So I looked on the back, right? And it just, there are no names. So I would love to see, you know, names printed here. How I'm gonna call it? That blue shade, that blue shade. I mean, look. They are very, very pigmented, right? Interesting. There you go. This quad is probably one of my favorites blue like colors that I have seen. Firstly, I really like that there are 4 shades of blue. And second, they're all very, very pigmented. But the matte blues perform as well as the shimmery ones. And that's not easy to find. Like as you see here, they're not patchy, they blend really well, and they just perform really amazing. If you're into blues, to get this palette. I got this palette as a pack from TVSN again. I know I'm gonna keep talking TVSN. That's where I got them from, obviously. With this eyeshadow brush, which retails for €12.95, and it's the small eyeshadow brush, and obviously I used it, you know, with that, and I got it as a pack, which is great, isn't it? It packs color really well, it does its job. It reminds me a bit as the MAC 239. Look side by side. I mean, I have all these blue. I really like it. I really love that combo anyway, and I'm excited. As I said, my next purchase should be the Pretzel. Even the outside packaging for the brushes is really good. I mean, look at that. Let's go to the mascara. She has 2 mascaras, and I got the Luxurious Volume Mascara, which the pack looks like that. And how much you get of that? 15 ml, 0.50 fluid ounces, and she's got another mascara. It's more lengthening. This is more for the volume. The packaging reminds me a bit of the YSL. And as you saw, this mascara is bomb. Look at the wand. You saw it from the demo. How much? It's not only bomb for the top lashes. Obviously, I'm wearing false lashes, fake lashes now, but it's really good for the bottom lashes too. I mean, look at that. Not only I like the wand, it's really, really black. It doesn't smudge, and if you like super, super voluminous lashes, highly recommend that mascara. I don't know what else can I say. The next product I've got, it's the waterproof eyeliner in True Black, and the outside pack looks like that, and you get 1.6 grams, 0.05 ounces, and that is in True Black. And this is extremely, extremely emollient. Look at that. It doesn't tag, it doesn't drag, it's very, very black. I mean, look at that. How smooth and soft it is. I don't have to try. This liner and the VB by Estee Lauder, you remember that black liner? It had like a base and a black line. They are my top favorite eyeliners. It's because of the consistency. And it's waterproof. Bear that in mind. Now let's talk lips, about the lipstick. She has several like lip products. She has a normal lipstick, she has like lip balms, like lip crayons, you know, that kind. And she also has glosses, which I wanna get. The next thing I'm gonna get is the glosses, right? And the lips, the outside pack looks like that again, and you get 4 grams, 0.14 ounces. It comes in 11 shades, and I got the shade 180 Peach Club. And again, you can see the little cloud here. And one thing I really like about that, it has a magnetic closure. I really love these raindrops of the, you know, that they're embossed on the lipstick. It feels very, very luxurious. The color is, obviously I do like peach colors, as you know. That looks like that. It feels very, very soft, kind of like a balm. It has a little bit of a sweet scent, maybe vanilla, but it's not overpowering. She named 2 of the shades from her children and 1 from her husband. This shade, it's called Clementine, and she named it in 1 of her children. This shade is Caspar, and this shade is Matthew, and she named it after her husband. And she said that this is the color that she wears when they go out on a date, which is really great, isn't it? On the lipstick, as I said, it's very, very creamy, very, very like kind of feels like a balm. My critique on this lipstick is that it doesn't last very long, and it's a little bit sheer. I mean, you have to apply, I don't know about other colors, but in that particular, the Beach Club, you have to apply like probably 3-4 layers to get the opacity of the color. It's more like sheer, and it doesn't last as long as other creamy lipsticks that I have. That's my only thing. The color is beautiful and it performs really well, very moisturizing, but I would prefer to last longer. I didn't say they're not only in that creamy formula, some they're in the matte formula, which I haven't tried, so I'm not quite sure if the matte formula performs a little bit better than this. But I haven't tried also others in the cream formula, but this particular, the Beach Club, the color is beautiful, it's very, very emollient, but it's quite on the sheer side and it doesn't last a long time. If I had to pick my favorite products, I mean, how can I pick, right? I would definitely go with the primer. That BB primer, it's spot on. Now the foundation, it's a matter of preference. As I said, if you like sheer to medium coverage with a velvet finish, kind of like the Chanel Vita Lumiere Aqua, you will like this. If not, forget it. I would definitely pick up the blush and the eyeshadow palette. I mean, seriously, that blue denim, it's bomb, and the blush. That beautiful mascara with the eyeliner. The only thing I was a little bit disappointed, it was with the lipstick. Other than that, I would recommend anything else. These were all my thoughts on Claudia Schiffer makeup range in collaboration with Art Deco Cosmetics. I think she's done an amazing job, and I can't wait to see more products from the line. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me thumbs up, click that subscribe button and share your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, mwah, bye.